How's my hair? Is it beautiful?
Oh, more beautiful than I've ever seen it.
Thank you. It's ROG Rig Reboot again, and the winners are here. At least one of the winners is here. This is Sean, and I would like everyone to take a moment, both to feel good for him because he is getting a brand new gaming rig, courtesy of ROG, and he has excellent posture. Look at his posture. His mom actually asked him before he showed up here to make sure that he keeps his posture nice because she'd hate for other people to see his posture and think what?
I don't know. I don't have good posture.
That would be terrible, wouldn't it? Let's build a rig, shall we?
Yes. There we go.
You know, those like...
Oh, yeah.
You know, I hate it when people do this because there's no standard way to do it. For both gaming and content creation, the ASUS Z390A motherboard is built to last using premium Japanese capacitors. Learn more at the link below. So here's a screwdriver. Psych, you're not ready yet. So, Sean, where are you from?
Maple Ridge.
That's where I'm from. Did you go to Garibaldi?
No.
That's probably just as well. I went to Garibaldi and we all kind of see how that worked out. Have you ever built a computer before?
No, never.
Have you at least watched a build video before?
Oh, no. Yeah, I watched the ROG ones and then the Super RGB one.
Which is probably why ASUS liked you so much as a candidate, because those guys are all about RGB, all the things. You've got an RGB keyboard, you've got an RGB graphics card, RGB motherboard with Aura Sync, got an RGB cooler, you have an RGB mouse, an RGB headset, and in case it's probably RGB too. So then, since you're a seasoned watcher of build videos, I'm sure you know where to start.
Oh, right.
Whoa! I'm just kidding, go ahead.
Oh, okay.
If you want to break it, it's totally up to you.
I don't want to break it.
Yeah, because you know if you break it, like, the whole thing's over. Like, you get back in your car, you go back home, and it's over, right? Like, it's a test. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the processor out of the box. Now, this is the heart and soul of your system.
There's a seal on it.
6 cores.
I don't have a knife.
Turboing up to 4.9 gigahertz. I still remember when I built my first system. I'm just kidding, I don't remember that. It was a long time ago. You are way out ahead of me. So, Sean already pointed at that little dot, and why is that dot important?
So you can line it up properly with this arrow.
That's right. Are you sure that you don't line it up with the dot, though?
I'm not sure.
Well, that's it. He's done. He's packing it back up. He's gonna get out of here with... Holy crap. You are getting 2 terabytes of solid state storage. Normally they do like a hard drive for your games and stuff, but you've got an almost terabyte NVMe drive and you get a terabyte. ASUS pulled out all the stops for you. They must really like you. You hear that sniffle? That's his case of the crappy systems.
I'll stop sniffling by the time this build ends.
All right, now I know Maple Ridge kids fall into one of 2 camps, the ones that play with knives and the ones that play with fire. So which one are you?
I don't know what's the right response.
Only in the wrong hands. Yeah, is that because your dad's sitting there and you won't admit it?
No.
So which sticks go in which slots?
You're
filling them all with a matched set,
yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, okay.
And then you want to push it down evenly until it clicks in on both sides. So that's how you know you got to give it a little, right there.
Oh.
There you go. One more.
Okay.
This is a tougher one.
Would it be the NVMe SSD?
Oh, very nice. Is this a brand new iFixit kit? Wow.
Do I have to do just one side or both?
I don't know. What I usually do is I start with one and then I see what happens.
I need a place to put this.
Having flashbacks to being a teenager. This was my job whenever my dad did something. Hold the screws and the nails. Symptoms of crappy systemitis include
shaky hands,
not being able to open boxes,
yeah,
and the sniffles.
Oh, I forgot about that. This way?
Sure, why not?
I don't know how to put it in.
Well, it's okay. You're pretty young. You'll learn later. You want to give it a little push, snug into the socket. I'll let you do it though.
Okay. Cooler for the CPU?
You know, sure. Yeah, let's do that side of the cooler. Isn't that crazy? When you walked in here, you had like an old laptop with onboard graphics.
I have an Intel T6400, 4 gigs of RAM, DDR2.
And that's still what you have because you haven't actually completed the challenge yet.
TF2 is running at like 15 to like 30 frames per second and all those settings.
Look at the size of these nuts.
They're bigger, so it's gonna be easier to like...
Yeah, I mean, they're easier to handle, which I guess is nice. So this is the one that has an OLED screen built into the CPU block, and I'm gonna do the peel because I can't trust you to do it properly.
That was worth it.
Shiny. This is your mom's spaghetti, dude.
Arms are heavy.
These builds are too much fun. I love this.
I thought he was like putting on sort of a character, like making it a bit more extra for the camera, but he's like always active and that much like excited about everything.
So what do you think goes on next?
Thermal paste.
Actually, yes, but no. ASUS pre-applied your thermal paste.
Thank you, ASUS. Wow.
So the screen in the middle here, you can actually put anything you want on it. You could put like an ROG logo if you were all about that, you know, thanks ROG for this totally free computer. Or, I mean, you could just put like a dick butt on it, like whatever.
I guess while we're like working with cables and stuff, we could like, no.
You really want to put that SSD in, don't you?
I guess we're gonna do this then.
Are you sure?
Oh, we're gonna put it in the case?
Yes! Yes! Yeah! This is the part where it gets really fun. Tempered glass.
Looks nice.
Be careful. When it gets mad, just boom, shatters.
Oh, that's not good.
All right, so this is gonna fall off very soon, so you should probably, yep, that's good. There you go, 2 hands, please. Very nice, okay, so tuck that away somewhere safe. We don't wanna scratch that because that is your viewport into your gorgeous system. That is a perfect place for it. He's putting it in a bin, he's not just chucking it on the floor.
Is this heavy? I don't wanna crush my fingers. Then I won't be able to use my mouse.
10 points if you can figure out how to open this before I do. I lied, I knew how.
Yeah.
This is something that's always kind of triggered me about these. You went to all the effort to print on the bag, and you couldn't just say what it's for.
Goes in here?
Sure does. Other way. Other way.
Oh, like that. No.
Nice.
Wait, would it go in? I just had it lined up. Do you have to like really force it in?
Yeah, pretty much. Use the force. Like, yeah, no, the real force.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's movies.
Do you want a LTT logo on your glass?
Yes.
Oh, what? We can do that?
We have a laser, remember?
Yeah!
I was gonna ask for a sticker, but I guess that's cooler.
He's still putting the IO shit.
I'm having a lot of trouble.
So you hold it by the cooler and use your other hand to guide it in. And you're gonna try to guide the rear IO through the back before you make contact with all of the metal standoffs that are on the motherboard tray. You ready?
I hope.
Correct answer is yes, I was born ready. And you gotta have like kind of a gruff tone to your voice. I was born ready.
Born ready. That's too deep.
Yeah, it's, and the screws you're gonna use are the 632 flat. Flat is the heads of the people who labeled these flat, because these are clearly a pan head and they clearly use a Phillips type driver, so there's nothing really flat about them. So, what do you think is next?
Power supply.
All right, so we're gonna put your modular cables onto the power supply first.
2, 4, 6, 8. That's not good.
As a drop expert, I can tell you that drop was fairly benign.
Yes?
Yes.
Sweet. Do we need all of them? Am I just doing this for no reason?
No, you're actually almost done. You only need one more cable. You know what's really good about a video like this is that you are giving other people the confidence to ask stupid questions and make mistakes.
But that means I'm doing worse than them.
Right. You're like
Welcome.
the sacrificial lamb.
I don't want to die. I just got this cool computer. Does this plug into the motherboard? Or is this one going to the...
Basically, the rule from here on out with these is if it fits, it sits.
I'm gonna have to spend like 8 years.
Yeah, don't worry. Your street cred was
It was too low.
kind of down here
Yeah,
already
it is.
anyways, so it's fine.
There's an alignment thing right there. Maybe this goes into the motherboard.
It kind of doesn't work without any of the pieces.
Well, you don't really need fans.
Well, maybe your old system didn't, but with a 2080 Ti and 8700K, you're gonna need fans. And the reason this part is tricky is because you kind of have to align That's a technique that I've perfected over the years. Did you notice I kicked it a little bit before it hit the ground? You can arrest some of its momentum before it actually falls. And there we are. All of our cooling is completely wired up now. What do you want to install?
Power supply.
All right, so let's do it.
Okay. No. There we go.
You can tell he's almost cured. He hasn't sniffled in forever. Oh, that doesn't have to come all the way out. That is called a self-retaining screw. So you see how it has like a kind of a knob on the end and then a shaft in the middle?
Yep.
You don't really need a screwdriver for this.
Oh, it was too tight for me.
Oh.
Not strong. No, that's not in. It's not in yet.
You rock it a little bit. Almost.
On the bottom?
A little further. There you go. So these guys separate out your cables nicely so they look all clean and professional. Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead. Enjoy it. Breathe it in.
I don't know why I was so excited to open this. There we go. That hurts. Whoa. Trick shots.
That's something kids just say now? Like trick shots? Whoa, trick shots? Like
No, no one says that. Except me.
no one. Literally no one. The moment you've been waiting for. The fastest graphics card. Oh, I was handing it to you over there. No, over there. Look, if you're not gonna do it right, if you're not gonna take this seriously, like, we can just leave the graphics card. You know what? There, that's it. That's the computer. Forget it.
It has integrated graphics.
Just like your current one.
Yeah.
There it is. The RTX 2080 Ti.
Definitely wasn't expecting that. I thought I'd get like a 1080 Ti, but the 2080 Ti is really cool.
Now with like however many bazillion heat pipes, 3 fans, Aura Sync compatibility, a dual BIOS switch so you can switch between quiet and performance mode, and it's super duper 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 fast. Open it, let's do it. Let's put it in. Heavy, eh?
Yeah, really heavy. I think I got it. No, I don't.
See, I knew he was a knife kid.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
And that was it. Your RTX 2080 Ti is installed.
Well,
After you put the screws in and put the power connecting, yeah. So now we just need to find the prettiest spot to bring these guys around, which honestly, we don't have a ton of great options here. So now that I've given up, we're just gonna do whatever.
Okay.
And before anyone gets a chance to look too closely at it, I'm gonna close up the back panel. And it is beautifully cable managed as far as you know. Need a hand? Is that an 8-pin CPU connector? Why's that got 2 of those in there? You go in there. I'm gonna close this up for the last time. Almost done.
Here. Just laser engraved it.
That looks really cool.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, our logo looks really good when engraved.
Yeah.
That is sick.
If you want something else, we can probably put something down here if you want.
Like a giant dick butt that takes up the whole rest of the... That is awesome, Alex.
Yeah.
So, the monitor we're hooking this up to is basically one of the finest gaming displays on the market. Now, this guy is 2560 by 1440 resolution up to 165 hertz. Pretty much what that means is that your monitor can keep up with your system.
A lot more than 60.
I knew you were here for a reason, and it was that contribution.
That one line.
This entire experience was leading up to that moment. All right, go ahead and press the button.
Ooh. Whoa, okay.
Dang, we got it wrong. That's fine, I'm pretty sure we can flip it. This is gonna look C-yak, as the kids say.
What?
Total memory, 32 megs. Sorry, I was thinking back to my first computer. Press F1 to run setup.
That's good.
I mean, sounds good, you don't have a choice. So we've got pretty much everything. Wow, this has touch controls. Nah. That's pretty cool. Where's the mic? Ah, retractable mic.
That's what that was.
You know, ooh, does the worm. Is the worm still cool?
It's in Fortnite.
Here you go. Oh,
I don't play Fortnite, so.
Really?
No one plays it in my school anymore.
You kids today, you like, here it is, one day and boom, gone the next. You know what, forget it. Let's just finish this thing up. So, let's go ahead and put our tempered glass side panel back on. Complete with laser etched LTT logo. Okay, go, you do the peel, you do the peel. Come on, we got places to be.
Can't go faster.
Oh!
We still got stuff on the motherboard and stuff that needs to be peeled.
Don't blow it. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, you know what?
Ruined. Probably the least exciting part was screwing everything in.
Here we go, you wanna screw me in here?
Oh yeah. That took a really long time,
Oh!
but the rest was really interesting, really fun.
You CSGO player?
Not really.
All right.
The sound dampening in this is like really, really good. I put it on and like I could barely hear you talking.
You're just gonna put those there? You're not gonna have sound?
Oh, well, I'm not gonna play like a full game.
Oh, all right. No, I don't know, man. So have you ever...
Oh, bought Hank.
Wow, you just got shreked, man. Oh, is this like team deathmatch?
Yeah.
Why'd you pull out your knife there?
I didn't see him, so I was gonna run faster.
You know what? Okay, well, that's pretty... Oh, you haven't spawned yet. Oh!
He was just
Look, I wouldn't have given you this computer if I'd known you were gonna do that. That is what you get.
that was the same guy.
You 100% deserved it. What do you think, 250 FPS? What is that, an increase of like 20x
Yeah, more.
over your old machine? All right, well now why don't we go for something that's a little bit more demanding. So I'm gonna show you how you dial in the optimized settings for a machine like this. You go to graphics and you go to highest. That's basically it. Also, you should turn motion blur off because it's for chumps.
Yeah,
I think they're crashing.
looks like it.
They seem to be distressed about it, so it's probably not like a planned crash.
No, that's definitely not.
Oh, that's, whoa, whoops. I don't think the seatbelt's gonna help you, hun. 2 days.
There's like 30 minutes of cutscenes. So if you can skip.
What? Oh boy, she's,
There we go.
so, okay, she's gonna pry the rock off the leg, and that looks very painful. All right, you're sort of playing. You get to crawl on the rock. So there you go.
Just hold W.
Hold W.
Oh, yeah. Well, this game's really hard.
Ah, yes, this is gonna be fun. So results for 3D Mark Time Spy Extreme, better than 83% of all results. Way above, like even the guys running, 4K gaming PCs or whatever else the case may be, you're like way out here. So basically, of all the giant nerds that like benchmark their systems for fun, you're in the top 20%. So that's pretty much it.
Thank you, ROG and Linus Media Group for having me out here.
Are you feeling better, Sean?
Yeah.
Yeah, no more coughing, no more sniffling. Excellent, excellent. He's cured, he's cured! So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to ASUS ROG for sponsoring this video, bringing Sean out here, and of course, providing all of this hardware. If you guys dislike this video, you can hit that button, but you'll make him sad. You don't want to make him sad. How's he ever going to feel better? Oh, right, gaming on his machine. Never mind, he'll be fine. If you liked it though, hit like, get subscribed, and maybe consider checking out where to buy the stuff we featured. The links in the video descriptions. Also down there is our merch store, which has cool shirts like this one, and our community forum, which you should totally join. You want to say like, hi mom, or whatever? Like, that's what kids like to do that, right?
My mom already knows I'm here.
Right, fair enough.
But does she know you have good posture?
Yeah, does she know you have good posture? So this is a little bit, sort of, what's going on here, right?